So I'm trying to re-caulk this. Over here, it's good. The sink is in there pretty good. When you come onto this side, there's a very large gap here. And underneath, you can push it up and it will cover the gap, and then I could re-caulk it. But I can't, there's no screws or anything to tighten up that I can find. So anytime you put water or pans or anything in here, it keeps moving. So I could caulk it, but I mean, it's such a large gap there, but I could caulk it, but what'll happen is it'll come apart again. So it needs to be screwed up tight and then caulked. Normally clips would be underneath and would be able to hold this up. However, our situation, it wasn't possible. So I found this on the internet, and it looks like it will work fairly well. It'll just prop it up and hold it into place. As you can see here, I'm putting it into place, adjusting it. The tubes slide up and down, and at the very top, you'll see here, there's a small fine-tune adjustment that you can do. The kit comes with two, and I was able to use both of them, and it looks like it's going to do what we need to do. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.